Guys, if you want to use the Safari browser on your Mac but you are facing this kind of problem, this connection is not private, then keep watching this video because here in today's short video I'll tell you how you can fix this problem on your Mac. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first close the Safari browser and then click on Apple logo at the top left and choose System Settings. On the System Settings, tap on General. Then tap on Date and Time from the sidebar menu. Here, make sure that Set Time and Date automatically is not turned on. Then tap the Set button next to the date and time. Now you'll be asked for your Mac password, so enter your Mac password here. Then manually adjust your date and time. After that, tap on Set to save your date and time. Now make sure that the time zone in your Mac is also correct. If the time zone is not correct, correct it as well. Now close this window and go back to the Safari browser and check whether the disconnection is not private issue is resolved or not. So you can see that the issue has been resolved. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.